the blue turbo ionic dryer from Viewpoints, a sample that I received to review. And let's plug it in, see how it goes. Alright, let's see. Ions, turbo or low. That's fancy. Fan speed, high or low. We'll start low and work our way up. I'm guessing that's... Well, I scared myself. That's on, apparently. Alright, so what's this button then? Oh, that's the cool shot button. I thought that was the power button. I scared myself on my review. Isn't that cute? Okay, here we go. Seems to be drying pretty fast. Well, just from that short time using it, I can tell it dries faster than my old hairdryer did. It feels less hot. I know the other one I had was a very cheap brand from a department store, and it was very hot, and I had to give it a break sometimes. That was also back when I had longer hair, and it took a lot longer to do, and by then it was very hot. This one, obviously, I'll have to test longer, but first impressions, pretty good. I'll definitely continue to keep using this thing. And I noticed it glows blue when you're using it, which is kind of cute. Let's see what Turbo Ions does. That is some serious fan power right there. Guessing the turbo ions make it warmer. That's what it felt like. But fancy pants dryer. I like it.